Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. People often ask the questions like how to become successful in life, what are keys to success, and what is the secret of success, etc. So therefore, I have brought this video for you in which I will show you 4 steps to success. Now, if you want to be successful in your life and in your every task, even if it is big or small, then this video is very essential for you. So therefore, must watch this video till the end. Now, first of all, the very first step to success is to set the goals. Means to decide what you have to do, what you want to do. If you don't know that what you have to do, what you want to do, then it would be impossible for you to get or to achieve the success. Means success cannot be achieved without goals. So it is very essential and necessary to set the goals. And after you have decided that what you want to do, then the second step is to take the action immediately. Means once you know that what I have to do, then take actions on them immediately. Do not leave the actions on tomorrow. And there is another thing which is very important to tell you, that no one has become successful till today without facing the disappointments and failures. Means failures are the part of life, no doubt. But when you will try to become successful, surely failures and disappointments would be in your path. But despite those disappointments and failures, you will have to work hard and try again and again to become successful. If you would leave, if you would give up, then you won't be able to achieve success in your life. And those mistakes that became the cause of your failure, learn from those mistakes. Means whatever mistakes you made, learn from those. And after you have learned, keep those mistakes in your mind and say that I will never repeat these mistakes in my life. And the last step is to try again over and over until you succeed. This means that no one can achieve success at once. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of hard work. So therefore, by ignoring all the disappointments and failures, you will have to go ahead and ahead. You will have to try again and again until you succeed. So these were the 4 steps to success. And I think if we follow these 4 steps, then surely success would be our fate, inshallah.